Alright, I'll show you a very cool optical illusion that's done with a bill. Any bill will work, and a playing card. Any playing card will work. So I'll do a quick demonstration and then show you how to do it. Okay, so the basic idea is if I wrap the card within the bill and then fold the card in half, now the faces of the card are facing the inside, right? And if I fold the card in the other direction, now the backs of the card are facing the inside. Alright, so I'll do it a bit differently, and it's going to be kind of strange. So I'll wrap the card up so that the faces are being folded on the inside, and watch closely. Just like that, if I push the card through the bill now, you'll see that it inverts. And if I push the card back the other direction, again, it inverts. It's kind of strange. It's a weird thing going on. I do it again. And there it is. So it's kind of hard to explain here what's going on, but I'll do it once more so you can kind of see it in the process. So here, let's fold the card up again. So check this out. I push it through, and this time I'll actually leave it right there so that you can see half the card is facing one direction, the other half is facing the other direction. It's really, really strange. And actually at this point what we can do is I can rip the card, or I can try at least. So you can see exactly how the card looked like underneath the bill. And if you're to match these up, you'll see that it matches fiber for fiber. So it's just a really crazy optical illusion. It's easy to do, and it's very fooling. Okay, so let me show you kind of how this works. It's really, really a cool method. So grab a bill, any bill you want, doesn't really matter, and then you need a playing card. I ripped that one up, so I'll grab another one. I think it looks better with a face card. It works with any card you want, but it looks a little bit better with a face card. So here's the preparation. It takes a couple seconds. All you need to do is rip half of the card along the center. So you just go like this, and you keep ripping until you have ripped about half of the card. Okay, and you want to do it in the center, right? In the middle of the card. So right about there. And that's it, you're ready to go. You can just hold the card like this, you know, probably no one would ever notice that. But if you're a little bit paranoid, you can always just use your left hand and hold the card like this. That way, there's no way anyone can tell that there's something off about the card. Okay, so you introduce the bill, you introduce the card, and then you just explain what you're going to do. You're going to wrap the card in the bill like this. And so when you start off, you want the rip to be on the left side, on your left side. Okay, so you wrap the bill like this, so that the fold is on the left side. And then basically you just explain how you're going to fold it. Okay, so that's another thing you can do to prepare. You might want to fold the card in half, just to make it easier later on. So fold right there. The fold doesn't have to be perfect or anything. And then you might want to fold it in the other direction as well. Okay, so you introduce the bill, introduce the card, and then just explain that, you know, if you fold the card in this direction, the faces are on the inside. Fold it in this direction, the backs are on the inside. Okay, and then you display the cards again. And here's where the secret move comes in. It's very easy to do. You're going to cover the bottom half of the card with the bill. And now this time when you fold this card inwards, when you wrap the bill around, you do the same thing as you normally would, but this time with your left ring finger, you're going to push down on this flap right here. Okay, so that's going to separate this half of the card from the rest of the card. So you push down with your ring finger, and then you're actually going to grab it with your right middle finger like this. And you do that as you fold the bill around the card. Okay, so really what your situation is right now, if we remove the bill, is this. Okay? Just like that. And now all you do is you fold that card in half. And that's all there is to it. Now when you push the bill, or I'm sorry, when you push the card through the bill, it inverts. It's crazy, right? So if we remove the bill entirely, this is what's happening. That's literally what it looks like. It's a pretty crazy thing. So you just need to learn how to handle this card and the bill so that the illusion is really convincing. Okay, so you push that bottom flap, wrap the bill around, fold, and then you can do a magical gesture or whatever you want to do. You push through, and then it's a good idea to kind of pull it a little bit more to expose more of the card before pushing it back in the other direction. Okay, now if you want to open the bill and card up just to further convince them that the card is completely normal, there's a really great way of doing that. You push the card back down so that the bottom part is exposed, and here's what you're going to do. You find the opening in the card, you're going to open it up, and all you need to do at this point is place your thumb in between the fold of the bill right here, and then when you pull this this side of the bill, it's automatically going to unfold that secret flap in the card. Okay, it's really nice. So you just pull the bill, and then you can show the card as normal. Just come over here, and then you make sure your left fingers cover up the tear. You can display it again.